Welcome back to the channel. This is Wei Hao at Dragon Back Solutions. It's been a while. Time really flies by and it's Halloween again, which means it's time for another challenge. Just like the previous cases, this one comes from a real client project. In fact, I encountered this one last week. What's funny is that when I solved this case, I realized that I have solved the exact same case back in 2015 when I first started working as a professional developer. So, to commemorate the return of this case after 8 years, let me share this with you and see if you can figure this out. We have a script that is set up to be called via the FileMaker PHP API. Yes, I know the PHP API is deprecated, but you know. The script itself is pretty simple. It is supposed to parse the input parameters, perform a find, and send out an email. We use separated development and production environments. To avoid accidentally sending out emails to real users in the development environment, we have a branching logic like this. The global variable's $environment is set within the onFirstWindowOpen script trigger, so whenever the file opens, it will determine the environment the file is hosted in and set this variable with the correct value, which then drives the branching logic. The issue we encountered is that even though the feature has been deployed to the production environment, which means the emails are supposed to go to the real users, all emails sent keep going back to the developer instead. When this script is first deployed, we tested its functionality by running it from FileMaker Pro. Then, we tested it again by running it via perform_script.server, making sure it can be sent out from the server side without firewall issues. Both tests sent out the email to the correct recipient without problem. But whenever we called it via the PHP API, the recipients get messed up. We double-checked our PHP code and can confirm it is pointing to the correct FileMaker database in the correct environment. So, what do you think is causing the issue, and how can we resolve it? Leave us a comment with your answer, and we will announce the answer in our next video. Also, if you missed it in the past 2 years, check out the other FileMaker Mystery videos. Happy troubleshooting!